Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to set priority levels for urgent tasks in TODOIST, your 2025 complete guide. Let's jump in. First and foremost, you need to open up TODOIST and navigate to the task you want to prioritize. Now, why is this step important? Well, prioritizing tasks helps to focus your efforts on high-value activities, ensuring that you get the most out of your time. Once you've found the task, click on it to open the task detail view. In here, look for the priority flag icon, usually located at the top right corner of the task detail view. This icon is what we use to set priority levels. Now that we've found the priority flag, click on it and you'll see 4 color-coded priority levels. Priority 1 is red, meaning the task is super urgent. Priority 2 is orange, for tasks that are less urgent but still important. Priority 3 is yellow for tasks that are not urgent but still need to be done. And priority 4 is white for tasks that are the least urgent. The reason we do this is to visually differentiate the urgency of tasks. This helps us because it allows us to quickly identify what we need to do first when we look at our task list. Now let's set the priority level. Click on the priority level that corresponds to the urgency of your task. Let's say our task is super urgent. We would then click on Priority 1, the red flag. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. TODOIST is now marking this task as a top priority, and it will appear at the top of your task list. This is crucial because it ensures that you won't forget to do this task or get sidetracked by less important tasks. Finally, click on the Save button to confirm the priority level. This step is vital because it locks in the priority level, ensuring that it does not change until you decide to change it. Now that we've done that, you've successfully set a priority level for an urgent task in TODOIST. Remember, setting priority levels can be a game changer in managing your tasks effectively. And that's it, folks. You've just learned how to set priority levels for urgent tasks in TODOIST. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, stay productive.